Guys, this is a console. This is the owner of Console Hungary Negyedes. I am having a problem with my new TV setup. I have this Synapse T30 box that is giving me a screen, but it does not have any sound at all. I'm currently using an antenna because this was the decoder from before. It straight up died. There is no power. There's nothing on this. It was from DG itself. So I wanna ask how to fix that because I have tried anything. It was maybe set to aux. I have checked, but it's not set to aux, and now I can listen to bass boosted static. It helps me nothing. This is an Hungarian because as you can like hear, this is the channel Console Hungary. I really need help, but I really do need help. Is there any way to set this or do something with it, because I don't know how to do anything with it. We have installation, channel, options, this this has languages. This is no, never mind. Setting timers, child lock, date, time. I don't think there's a password, so I'm just gonna say 0000. No. OSD language, I'm gonna put it to English. Country, Hungary, time zone, auto. I don't fucking know, honestly. Active antenna on, because we are using one. SCN. What is SCN? Start search. Okay. Frequency 118. Oh. Bandwidth 7M. I'm sure the TV is working because it have given voice before. I have tried it with a PS2. I have used this TV for lots and lots of things, and I definitely did not regret it. Because this TV is a very old and lovely TV. It's one from Panasonic. It's 40 years old. It's just as old as me. I don't know when was it got. It was for my mom's birthday. So this is a Synapse T30, and the antenna is from a Hungarian brand called Home. This Home by Somogyi. It's pretty weird to say that. This was the old remote. I have took off the batteries because I needed them in this. I didn't have new ones because I'm poor. We are searching for channels. I was thinking if I could. There's an HDMI input on the back, and I want to maybe use this as an input device, like a HDMI to SCART, because we don't use PAL, or I don't know what is an CST. Is that it's the American input, I think. We use a SCART. The SCART is this big chunky cable. I'm gonna zoom in. It has lots of pins. So we're searching for channels. It says 73%. Oh Jesus. The camera is it doesn't like CRTs. It's not syncing with the refresh rate of this TV. I'm so sorry. Maybe I just went too close. Yeah, no. It's this way. It's not doing it. Great. So I'm gonna need something. I first wanted a converter or such, an adapter from HDMI to RCA. Oh, we have oh, message data saving. Oh, fuck, nothing again. Temporary service test. AXN, FEM3, Music Boutique, Zene Boutique. Minden napra dáridó, it says. Very cool, there's nothing. M2, M2, this. It's not on mute. Oh, fucking god. I don't know what to do with that. Please, somebody help me.